There are countless YouTube videos on how to properly record live acoustic sources. So in this lecture, I'm going to outline all the best practices that I've discovered over the last 40 years. I provided a list of some of my favorite videos for you to check out. As always, feel free to email me anytime with questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. A live acoustic source is sound generated by a voice, a piano, guitar, upright bass, strings, horns, woodwinds, percussion, and even amplifiers. We use microphones to capture these sounds, so let's get started with a short explanation of them. There are many different types of microphones you can use to get the best results. They have different pickup patterns like omnidirectional, cardioid. All of these have their place in the recording studio. There are three factors, though, that are important, and I'd like to discuss them first. They are the source of the sound, the place the sound is recorded, and the intention for the sound. For example, you can put an amateur drummer on a cheap set of drums and record in an alley out back behind your favorite pool hall. You might not get the cleanest recording, unless that's what you want. The sound of traffic, car horns, people walking by, a TV chopper overhead, and people shouting to one another. That all might end up in your recording, and it might be exactly what you're looking for. You get the idea, right? What you end up recording depends on the source, where the source is performed, and what you use to record the source. First, let's look at some of the differences between microphones and some common uses for them. There are two types of mics, condensers and dynamics.